Good evening, everyone. The topic our group chose is on gender and transitional justice. Now, gender and transitional justice is a challenge since existing gender issues of state and non state actors are highlighted even more during an armed conflict. Thus, based on a study conducted by Alam in 2012 for Georgetown University, she said that there is a need to have gender justice, which is the idea that men and women deserve equal protection and equal redress, and that any redress should be based on their experiences in conflict and their needs in transitioning from conflict to peace. Using the Dealing with the Past framework of the Transitional Justice and Reconciliation Commission report in the Philippines, I would like to go directly to its first part, which is the right to know, or the right to truth. This mechanism utilizes various strategies, and one of which is the truth commissions, which is commonly used by most state actors. Now, truth commissions may not have the same legal and punitive effect, but it encompasses an element of justice that is grounded in acknowledgement, acceptance, and collective values, thus engendering transitional commissions. It is important to make a distinction between the willingness of witnesses to testify and the willingness of the commission to listen to, or basically value gendered perspective of conflict and peacemaking. Both truth commissions and fact-finding bodies ensure that there is an acknowledgement of the hurts and that redress is needed. In the case of the Philippines, the TJRC recommendation of the documentation of these past hurts in history books utilizes a gender lens is a positive move since it shows an acknowledgement of what happened and reminds us of the lessons learned from the past, ensuring that it does not happen again. But in documenting past hurts, it should always be gender sensitive. Thus, my recommendation for the right to truth to have a gender perspective, truth commissions and recording of experiences have to be inclusive and embracive. Inclusiveness here means that it should not only cater to women participation in truth commissions, but more so in the equal treatment to both men and women stories. How their stories are told, recorded, and retold should be gender laden. Thank you and good evening.